Be so good that they can't ignore you. The truth is, success doesn't come from hoping someone gives you an opportunity. It comes from becoming so valuable, so skilled, and so relentless in your pursuit of excellence that opportunities start looking for you. The people who win in life aren't always the smartest, the most connected, or the most talented. They're the ones who show up consistently, learn continuously, and refuse to settle for average. They understand that every day is a chance to sharpen their skills, improve their mindset, and get one step closer to the life they truly want. Think about it. When you're exceptional at what you do, people notice. When you consistently provide value, solve problems, and help others succeed, your reputation begins to speak for you. Doors start opening, conversations become easier, opportunities multiply. That's why it's so important to stop focusing on limitations and start focusing on growth. Invest in yourself, develop new skills, surround yourself with people who challenge you to become better. Build something that creates long term value, not just a paycheck. At TruPowur, we're helping ordinary people create extraordinary futures by providing a platform where they can learn, grow, and build a business that generates compounding residual income. Instead of trading time for money forever, you can create an asset that pays you month after month while helping customers lower their energy costs. The question isn't whether you have what it takes. The question is whether you're willing to become so good that your future has no choice but to respond. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a seven-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.